Welcome back to Drive USA, and today we are diving into one of the most aggressive, luxurious, and insanely powerful SUVs ever created, the Brabus G800. This is not just a modified G-Wagon, this is a statement of power, status, and extreme engineering taken to the next level. The moment you look at the Brabus G800, you immediately understand that this is no ordinary SUV. The exterior design is bold, muscular, and designed to dominate the road. Brabus takes the already iconic Mercedes G-Class and transforms it with the Widestar body kit, giving it a much wider and more aggressive stance. The extended fender flares, massive air intakes, and carbon fiber elements make the SUV look like a beast ready to attack. At the front, you get a redesigned bumper with larger vents, an aggressive grille with the Brabus logo, and often a carbon fiber hood that adds both style and performance appeal. The LED lighting system, including roof-mounted lights, enhances visibility and gives it a premium off-road presence. On the sides, the huge 23 to 24-inch monoblock wheels fill the arches perfectly, while the side exit exhaust pipes add a raw, sporty character that you can both see and hear. At the rear, the Brabus G800 continues to impress with a sporty diffuser, roof spoiler, and carbon fiber spare wheel cover. Every detail on the exterior screams exclusivity and power. This is a vehicle that turns heads everywhere it goes, whether you are driving through the city or parked at a luxury event. Now step inside, and the story becomes even more impressive. The interior of the Brabus G800 is pure luxury, handcrafted to perfection. You are surrounded by premium leather, Alcantara, and carbon fiber trims. Every inch of the cabin feels customized, from the seats to the dashboard. The seats are incredibly comfortable and can be fully customized in different colors and stitching patterns. You often find Brabus branding stitched into the seats, along with ambient lighting that creates a premium atmosphere at night. The attention to detail is insane, with features like illuminated door sills, aluminum pedals, and custom interior elements that make this SUV feel like a private jet on wheels. Technology-wise, it still carries the Mercedes-Benz DNA, so you get a high-end infotainment system, a fully digital instrument cluster, and a premium sound system like Burmester. There are advanced driver assistance features as well, making it not just powerful but also safe and intelligent. Rear passengers are treated like VIPs, with exceptional comfort, optional entertainment systems, and a cabin designed for long-distance luxury travel. Now let's talk about what really makes this SUV special, the performance. Under the hood, the Brabus G800 is powered by a heavily modified engine. In most modern versions, you get a 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 that has been tuned to produce around 800 horsepower and up to 1000 Nm of torque. This allows the G800 to accelerate from 0 to 100 km per hour in just around 4.0 to 4.1 seconds, which is unbelievable for a vehicle of this size and weight. The power delivery is aggressive, instant, and incredibly satisfying. The top speed is electronically limited to around 240 km per hour to maintain stability and safety. The driving experience is intense. The acceleration feels brutal, and the exhaust note is loud, deep, and unmistakably powerful. Thanks to the all-wheel drive system, the G800 maintains strong traction even under hard acceleration. However, because of its boxy design and heavy structure, it's not built for sharp cornering. You may feel some body roll, and the suspension setup leans more toward performance than comfort, which can make the ride slightly stiff on rough roads. Now coming to the price, and this is where things get serious. The Brabus G800 is an ultra-exclusive luxury SUV, and it comes with a price tag that reflects its uniqueness. Depending on customization options and market availability, the price typically ranges from around $600,000 to over $750,000. Limited production numbers make it even more desirable among collectors and high-end car enthusiasts. Each unit can be uniquely customized, meaning no two vehicles are exactly the same. This level of exclusivity adds to its appeal as a status symbol. So overall, the Brabus G800 is not for everyone. It is bold, loud, and extremely expensive. But if you want a vehicle that combines extreme performance, luxury craftsmanship, and unmatched road presence, then this SUV delivers in every possible way. It's not just a car, it's a statement of power, wealth, and individuality every time you hit the road.